Yes, and honestly, yun nga din po yung gusto ko ipunto diyan sa sabi din kanina na it's about cognitive warfare. I think another question na gusto ko itag diyan ano, bakit po ang messaging ng sinabi ni Commodore Tariela na yung messaging daw po ng iilan mga DDS influencer ay the same na daw po trolls coming from China. At lumalagay na hindi lang message ang ginagawa nila, they're going as far as propaganda.
The overlap is striking. Yung pareho silang nagsasabi, Philippines is provoking China. They both
Yes,
blame the US. They both downplay the harassment. Whether it's coordinated or not, the effect is the same. It amplifies China's preferred narrative and it undermines our own institutions.
correct.
I think the objective is the same. Na they're trying to wear us down. They're trying to win the war from within. Kasi even though they're spending so much money in
Mhm.
trying to build their totoo naman na because it takes sabi it's gonna take 8 years and they might be almost there. Pero yung kanilang coordination, bumilis na daw ang kanilang response time and all that. But that incident where it was China versus China, nagkabanggaan yung kanilang mga barko. Do you remember that? That was an example of how the speed with which they have built their navy has not caught up to their ability to coordinate their navy. Hindi na aangkop sa skills nila. So, they have to augment this with other means to break us down. Parang to win the war, they're gonna use other means.
Cywar,
Ga
sabi
Cywar din na Romy, 'di ba? At saka Mamita Startalk, pinaka-sexing vlogger sa balat ng lupa na
dito sila. Um, so about sa messaging, I think another question I want to ask you is that kung ikaw yung nasa side ng China, and this is just in theory lang naman. Kung ikaw yung nasa
mhm.
poder ng China, what would be your main focus? Um, anong age group ang gusto mong pasukin if you want to go as far as like going deep sa propaganda mo sa isang bansa?
I would say the young people kasi ito yung mga techie na ang daling 'di ba yung like TikTok,
Mhm,
bilis mag-scroll ang mga 'di ba those are the first age groups that you think of. And
mhm.
then they're the ones that will spread the word. I think that's the age group that I could think of. And I think that's the ones they're hitting.
And do you think there is a resurgent within that age group na talagang tina-target nila within this propaganda na ginagawa nila?
So, hindi ba yung hindi mo ba nakikita na yung mga fans ng mga dilis,
Mhm.
tingnan mo yung mga saan mo ba nakikita marami ang ano, it's TikTok, ano, Facebook. Dun mo talaga YouTube, siguro mga matatanda, mga mga yung basta Niolo calls his fans mga matatanda daw, but most of the people that are on social media, 'di ba, mga young people 'yan. So, I think that's what they target. Yun ang and there's studies that show that most people, that's where they get their news. And so when people say things on
Yes.
social media, they think that's news, but it's not. A lot of it is opinion and a lot of it is fake news.